Hello art friends, we're going to be drawing the Chicago Bears logo. So we're going to loosely lay out a big old C with a pointy on the end of it. And then here it comes on the inside. Inside of the C here, comes down, and we got that big old bear, and just ears, and just furrowy brow, this big old bear nose. Mouth here going rawr. And his chin down here. This is the outside of his nose, his muzzle. And the outside of the muzzle, which is, I don't know what that's called. And then it comes up. All right, you guys stay with that pencil. We're gonna start on the inside here with his little nose. So it's gonna be two diagonal lines like so. And we're gonna go up like that, up like that. And then we're gonna go in and around like so. Then we're gonna come up here and we're gonna do two lines like so, and they're gonna come back up like that. Then we're gonna head down and around and back up like that. Then we're gonna take this line back down. Let's see. How did I make that? Oh, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna come up, there. That's how it goes. All right, then we're gonna do its little mouth under here. So we're gonna start here. We're gonna go zigzag, two face. Then we're gonna drop down and make a couple of these little curvy lines. It's gonna come down, a couple curvy lines. And it's gonna come back up on the inside like that. Then we're gonna come back up and in, zigzag up, down, up, little curve, teeny curve, like that, and then it's gonna come back up and around and down and back down. Woo! And then it's gonna come down to the mouth, up and down. Here's the zigzag for the side of his face, and then it's gonna come up about there. Up. Man, this thing's curvy. And then this is gonna come around like that. Okay, I know, you're like, what the heck? Then we're gonna put a little dot here for the inside of his eye. Once you color it, it'll all come around. Okay, so then down here, we're gonna come here. We're gonna repeat this little zigzag out here and then meet it up there. And then we're gonna come down and around for his chin. Put a little bitty thing here. Then we're gonna come right here and we're gonna put a little curvy line like so. And then we're gonna do some little lines like that. All right, now we're gonna go to the other half. All right. Oh, we forgot something. How about this? Here, we're gonna do curvy line. And it's gonna go down like so. Just like that. All right. So now let's make one over here. It's gonna go down, come across, go up, back down, because this whole thing is very symmetrical. All right, so then this is gonna come up here. All right, I gotta just, yep. Okay, so this comes over here. I think I drew that too close. Comes down, I should have waited. And down here, like so. And then you got this part. Yeah, this threw me off. I should have waited. Where am I? Curve, curve. And we want this to be here. Curve, curve out here. Top's about there, and about there. Woo! All right, and then we got these two little furrowy brows because it's vicious. And then we got the middle part here. And then it comes out here. And we're gonna come. Ugh, it's always so tricky to be symmetrical. The first one's easy. The next one's trickier. But we got this. We're gonna do this. And that's where it ends. That. Up, right, and then come up. Around. Yep, I'm just checking both sides. And we got a little dot here for the other part of the eye. And I think that's good there. Okay, then we got the C for Chicago out here. And then this goes across, it lines up over here. Comes up, around, comes down, around. And this one. We got some more lines around it, like so. There we go. We'll get that cleaned up and colored. Looks good. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and thank you for watching.